The Strait of Hormuz blockade has been in place since the end of February, leading to a global energy crisis. But what does that mean for AI? It means that the countries dependent on imported energy are getting squeezed at exactly the moment they need to massively expand power capacity for intelligence factories and intelligence at scale. The US is in a relatively strong position because of its domestic energy mix and its shale production, the fact that it is the world's largest energy exporter. China is in a strong position too because it is so far ahead on industrial energy build-out. Europe, already structurally disadvantaged on energy, is now getting hit twice by the AI race and the oil shock, both at the same time. This is why I keep saying that sovereignty is downstream of compute, and compute is downstream of energy. Whichever country can produce cheap, abundant, reliable electricity will build the intelligence factories, and whichever country can't will end up renting intelligence from foreign clouds at predatory rates. This is the permanent transfer of national wealth. And in the middle of an oil crisis like this one, that gap is snapping open.